Good morning, Ma'am Carol.
Morning.
Uy! Ang dami namang marshmallows ng coffee nyo.
It relaxes me.
Alam niyo po kami, nung mga bata pa, mahilig din sa marshmallows.
Alam mo, nung bata pa ako, mahilig ako sa coffee.
Ay, naging bata po kayo? Ay, oo, of course, naging bata kayo.
Basta aalis lang ako sandali, huwag mo lang kainin yung marshmallow na yan. If you can do that, you receive a prize.
I know this. Ito po yung famous marshmallow test ng mga psychologists. Diba? About delayed gratification. Ma'am, it's supposed to test my emotional quotient, right?
Exactly. So, hindi ka na mahihirapan. Anyway, hindi naman ikaw yung target ng test na to. Kundi are other co-employees whose unprofessionalism, I suspect, is due to their immaturity and low emotional quotient. And I'm out to prove that today.
Ah, yes, ma'am. Papasa po ako sa test na to kasi mataas ang emotional quotient ko. Ayun, oh, taas. Hindi ko po yan gagalawin. Hindi ko yan hahawakan. Trust me.
Well, timer starts now.
Huwag mo akong tititigan. Hindi porke mabilog ka, masarap ka, yummy ka, hindi kita hahawakan. I will not touch you.
Your emotional quotient to see how long you can delay gratification by resisting this marshmallow. Do you understand? Congratulations, JC. You're the only one who passed the marshmallow test. Although, I have to admit, I am surprised. Well, here's your prize. A plate load of kwek-kwek.
Akin to! Akin to! Akin to, kwek-kwek! Akin to!
Hindi! Hindi ko gagawin yan!
I beg your pardon?
This is degrading, Miss Carol! Masyado niyong iniinsulto intelligence namin with all due respect!
At with all due respect, Payana.
At saka isa pa, ang hirap sa inyo, Miss Carol. Akala niyo kung sino kayo mataas. Kayo lang ang matalino. Sa amin, lahat ninyo, bobo! Hindi niyo ba napapansin? Lahat ng tao ilag sa inyo. Kaya wala kayong kaibigan! Pansinin niyo yun!